Magandang gabi mga kamot-mot. So yun na nga mga paps, iba talaga pakiramdam ko ngayon bumabiyaya ko.
I see you.
Ito na nga, pagdating ko sa pick up point.
Ano pong pangalan niyo, ma'am? Ano pong pangalan mo?
Bigla na lang may lumapit at sumigaw, ganabahan.
I see.
Na, makapalaban na naman tayo sa Inglisan nito.
Same drop off, ma'am. What is your country, ma'am?
I am Vietnamese and Chinese.
Oh, you're from US?
Yeah, I was born and raised in the US, but my mom is Vietnamese and my dad Hong Kong.
Say about the Philippines.
I think it's very nice. I like the food. And,
Alright.
I think it's very hot, the weather, but the food is so nice. And the people are so nice.
The chicken barbecue.
Oh, chicken barbecue. Oh, gyros. Yesterday, me and my friend, we go to Ugbo.
Opo, Ugbo. Ugbo, Undo.
Yes, we went.
Awit na loko na. Napalaban talaga tayo sa Inglisan. Pwede na kahit wrong grammar. English Carabao. Paano ba to? Pwede bang mag-call of friends?
Dumudugo na ilong ko dito eh.
At hanggang sa nalobat na nga ang camera, sayang di umabot hanggang drop off. Salamat hanggang sa susunod ulit na video. Nawaway Motovlogs.